Next, in our tutorial, we're going to learn how to add the syllabus to the course. Once we navigate to our course page, turn editing on. We click here on edit mode on the top right. And now we want to add the syllabus. You can use drag and drop, or you can simply click here on add an activity and select the option for file. Give it a name. Then scroll down and then select the file that you want to add. You can drag and drop them or click here on add and then choose file. Find the syllabus file that you want to utilize and then click on upload this file. Then scroll down, leave all of these options alone and then press save and return to the course. Now the syllabus has been posted. And to view it, you click on it, download it. Now you can also have the windows side by side. So this is the Mac view here. And to use the drag and drop option, so you have to get the windows side by side, and that's a whole new setup. In Windows, this is much quicker, actually much easier. Now that I'm on the course page with editing turned on, and I can go to my files on the left from the Finder, and then drag this to the section that I want to drag it to. And now notice that it placed the syllabus right here. If I wanted another activity, you can pick where you want to drop it and so on. On a Windows PC, you just bring the Windows Explorer on top of your current window and then simply drag the file to wherever you want, whichever block you want.